y'all, it's your girl Boo. Welcome to another ride along with me, y'all. It's 12 o'clock right now. 12 o'clock, y'all. I am on my way going at Walmart. I hope today is going to be a great day. I hope I can make over 150, I guess. let's make over 150 today. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. I hope it's going to be a great day. Start the day with putting gas in. I always put $20 or $15 every single day, y'all. $20 or $15. That's how much I put for gas every single day. Today I'm only going to put $15. Yep. And this morning the gas went up a little bit. All these days the gas was good, but this morning the gas went up, y'all. I hope it doesn't keep going up. Just received my first order of the day, which is decline. $8 for 7 miles. That's a straight decline, y'all. So let's sit here and keep waiting for another order. Listen, I just got this order, you guys. Oh, I forgot to screenshot it. I forgot to screenshot it for y'all. It was $32, you guys. $32 for 16 miles. Yo, I didn't take that order. To me, I feel like that's too far, and it's gonna take me in like another city. No, I was like, nah, that's a decline. I'm not going to take that order. Comment down below if you would take that order. I know places are different. Here might be different from your area, but to me, $16 for $32. They need to give me at least like 40 something. You know what I mean? 40 something for me to give that order. Yo, I don't know. I declined that order. I didn't take that order. Let's sit here and wait for another one. So I'm still waiting for it. Right now it's 12:34. So I'm still waiting for when they drop the last drop, the curbside drop, because here they dropped 3 times. So they already dropped the first one. They're about to drop. Let me see another order. So here another reason why I didn't take that order, you guys, because over here they gave me that order at 12:30. So I know I have two more chance to get an order, because over here when they drop those curbside order, they drop it 3 times. So I still have another chance for when it gets to 12:35 and when it gets to 12:40. So I know I'm gonna get an order within that time. It's about to get to 12:35, so I'm still waiting to see what kind of order that they're going to give to me. So that's not the reason why I did not take that order, you know. All right, it's 12:35. I just received an order, y'all. Just received an order. $21 going 6 miles within 3 drop-off. So let's wait for our pickup time and Go drop it off. Alright, let's go drop my first drop off. Oh, it's heavy. Let me use 2 hands, y'all. I have a big watermelon over there. And let's drop my second drop off, y'all. Second drop off. Drop my last drop off. Last drop off of the day. Not of the day. Last drop off of this order. Okay, my third drop off, y'all. They asked if I could leave it on that bench over there. So let's put it on the bench. Oh my god, it just fell. I received this order. This order was $17 for 5 mayo, and it was a shopping order. So it's time to drop it off. This is a business, and they tell me to leave with the receptionist. Okay, let's go. Hello. Hello? Yo, there's nobody here. I'm dropping this from Walmart. Just received an order, you guys. $30. My third order, y'all. $30 going for mayos, and I'm only going to shop for 34 items. So it's not bad at all. Let's go shop this order. $16 going to Mayo. It's a shopping order. I'm only going to shop for 8 items, y'all. 8 items. So let's go shop this order. Yeah, it's hot today. Very, very hot. Another order, you guys. $29. Oh, $29. It's going 9 mayo, 9.7 mayo, so that's almost like a 10 mayo, and it's 3 drop off. So it's an ASAP order, so I think they're about to bring it out in no time. And right now it's 4:35, y'all. 4:35. Let's go 14 minutes, y'all. 14 minutes. She just finished loading everything in my car. So let's go drop it off. 14 minutes for the first order. full of stuff. My last drop off, y'all. Let's go drop it off. I'm only going there, so I have somebody coming to help me, so I'm good. $36. I just received $36 for 21 miles. It's a decline, straight decline. It was for 3 drop off. Straight decline. So let's wait for another order. Received another pickup. $23 going 5 miles, 5.7 miles, and 3 drop. And right now is 5:47, yeah, 5:47. This is going to be my last one. The pickup time is 6 o'clock, so let's wait for 6 o'clock. Second drop off. My last drop off. Y'all, it's been a good day so far, y'all. It's been very, very great day. Let's go back, which is let's go home. Yo, it's been very, 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 very great day, you guys. I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. Thank you for riding along with me, y'all. I am going back home. My day, my shift, it's over. Right now it's 6:30, y'all. 6:30 p.m. So I didn't meet my goal. I didn't meet 150, but I was almost. Yo, I made 139. 139. I'm so thankful. So you guys, from 12 to 6:30 right now, I did 6 trips altogether. 6 trips, y'all, and 139. So thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn your bell notification on so every time I post, you be the first one to watch and support. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Comment anything you want me to show. Comment anything you want me to change. Comment anything you want me to include in my video. Okay, you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.